Hi, Victor. Is there a place for AI and automation to understand possible litigation outcomes?
This is a sort of tricky one because there have been attempts at this. They've been attempts from academia. There are some companies who have also tried to do this commercially, and it's something that can happen because there is a lot about every decision. Like just about every legal decision that's been made, there's paperwork about it. And if you have access, you can get that paperwork and then start to understand what the justice or the judge was talking about. And you also understand a lot about the case itself. If you look at a decision, you're going to basically know the who, what, where, when, how, and why. And that's the purpose of it. And then laid in within there, you're going to have a bunch of opinions from the judge. You'll also have facts and law, specific pieces of law or precedent or facts that just exist. What that does is it can paint sort of a really nice AI picture because you now have a bunch of signals and then you have an outcome. So the decision is an outcome. The decision may be they were able to sue somebody and got a judgment, or that person went to jail or whatever. So there's an outcome at the end of that.
Right.
But you know all of the little inputs that led to that outcome. Given this is the trick and beauty of AI, given enough of these inputs and out, you can train a very rigorous model that's going to have a high degree of confidence at understanding what could be litigated, what should be litigated, and what you're going to have trouble litigating against. And that's actually one of the models that we've also created at 1000 ml using our Apogee suite. Is we do have a judicial model that basically does just that. It looks at all kinds of decisions. We've trained it specifically on immigration law right now. It looks at all kinds of decisions and it understands whether or not you should proceed with litigation on that matter. We've actually augmented that really strongly, and we're starting to look to work with government ministries and departments of the government with this one.
I can see that could be very useful and time savings as well.